Well, let's see. How about the Millennium Falcon? You want to be a Millennium Falcon? No, I don't want to be a Millennium Falcon. That's too old. How about a TIE Fighter? You want to be a TIE Fighter? No, I don't like the dark side. I want to be something Jedi. Oh, well, I have the perfect thing, then you're gonna love it. That's the stupidest thing I've ever done on a camera. Literally the stupidest thing I've ever done on camera. Hope you enjoyed that. Pretty awesome Halloween costume, don't you think, Botgrinder? Yeah, this may be worth a bot coin. Anyway, here's a little bit more up close of my junky, homemade X-Wing drone costume. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching. That's my entry. Good luck, everybody.